morning, good afternoon, and good night wherever in the world. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia Luna, and for today's video, I'll be doing an updated desk tour since a lot of you guys requested it, specifically from TikTok. And first of all, I haven't vlogged or haven't taken a video for like 2-3 months already. That's because I got sad because I wasn't getting views and I wasn't getting subscribers, and things can be very overwhelming. That's why I stopped. But here I am, I'm back, hopefully. And for today's video, I'll be doing a desk tour because I've changed my desk a couple of times already, and a lot of you guys wanted to see a desk tour, so here it is. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll try my best to really post every week. I want to get back on track, and yeah, I miss doing this, so let's just get started. So my desk is from an online website called Furniture Source. It's actually not a desk, it's just the Alex drawers. I got two, and then like parang wood, parang tabletop. Basta I'll just link it down below and put it here sa screen if you guys want it. So ayun, I got it from Furniture Source. For my light, I'll just put it in the description box as well because I'm not really sure where my dad got it. But I really love my light because it's adjustable and it's black, so it's like sleek. Here is an overview of my desk. So this is so hard to film by yourself, but the leaves, I got it from Shopee and it's really affordable, so I'll link everything down below. So I got the leaves and it's really cute. It gives color to my wall over here. This bag is also from Shopee. This cork board is from Shopee, and I just placed my schedule for school. And I also have like stickers and postcards. And then here, I still have postcards. That's very cute. And then over here, I have my CDs. I got some plain CDs and I painted them by myself. And it looks like this. Along with that, I also have this Sailor Moon and the cat. And I painted that as well. And then here, we have this grid view. This grid thing over here. It's from Japan Home Center. And it's color white. And I just painted it purple to match my theme for my table. So to the right side, we can see this organizer thing. So you can see, this is from Shopee, the organizer, and this is from an online store in IG called Organizers Are Us. And for this organizer, I just have my calendar here, my 2021 calendar, my whiteboard markers, ruler, my monthly planner, my pink sketchbook, scissors, glue, correction tape, stapler, protractor, and some stuff, random stuff. And then for this one, which I'm very proud of this, I have my Mad liners, some stickers, washi tape, and highlighters. And then more washi tape because they're just too cute. And then I have my stickers and my postcards here. And then lastly, I have my sticky notes over here because they're just too cute, you know. So I keep it there because I need them all the time for school. And it looks so clean and neat, and I'm very proud of that. So when you go over here, you can see my laptop, and I decorated my laptop as well because why not? And the case is really pretty. I mean, the color of my case is really pretty. Below that, I have my mouse pad. A very big mouse pad. It's Sailor Moon and it's pink. And then lastly, on the left side, we have this organizer thing. I got that from Shopee. And then this is the lamp that I was talking about. It's very cute. It has different colors and it's just really sleek. So here is an overview. So I got this from Shopee as well. I keep my electronics here, like my Beats, my earphones, and sometimes my charger. And then this color purple thing that's really cute, but I really don't need it, but it's cute, so I got it. And then some washi tapes, more washi tapes actually, because they're just really cute. And I got this organizer from Shopee as well, and I just got some stickers and placed it there. And then below that, I have my clock here, my clock. It's 7 p.m. And then this teacup, and then this light heart thing. And then below, I have this like little twin star figurine, Happy Meal toy. It's just cute, okay. And then I have my mouse here, which I also decorated. And then my mouse pad, another mouse pad. And then lastly, I have this area here, right here. And it has my binders, my Muji binder, and purple and pink binder. So that's basically everything sa taas ng table ko. Now, let's move on to the drawers. I won't go like in detail with these because, I don't know, it's kind of boring, so let's just go through them one by one. So for the left side of my drawer, it's basically stationery. For the first drawer, we have here more stuff. And then the next drawer, we have more stuff. Yay! And then on this third drawer, I have my holy grail, my paints. It's all here. Yep. On the fourth drawer, we have more stuff, which I won't go into detail because it's just random stuff. And for the last drawer, it's also the same. It's just random stuff. So I won't show that because that's boring and I won't, it's messy. So let's just move on to the right side of the table. So for the right side of my table, I have like accessories and makeup stuff. For the first drawer, I don't have a lot of things because why not? Then for the second drawer, I have my makeups. Yeah, I have more makeup. Tada! Shades as well. Fourth drawer, I have random stuff. As in random, may billiard ball ako dito. And then accessories. And then some pouches. So yeah, I think that sums up everything that's in my table. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll try to leave all the links down below so that if you guys want to have some of my stuff or like mag-twinning tayo, it's just in the description box, and all of them are affordable because I don't buy like expensive stuff. And yeah, I'm really happy with my desk as of the moment, but I'm pretty sure I will change it up again by the next couple of weeks. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm back, hopefully. I'm back, and yeah, that's all I got for you, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!